Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Prius front brake pads. First, gather your essential tools like a jack stands, a lug wrench, and a 14mm socket. Ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts before lifting the car. Remember to remove the brake fluid reservoir cap to prevent overflow when compressing the caliper piston later. Once the car is safely on jack stands and the wheel is off, you'll see the brake caliper. Use a 14mm socket to remove the two caliper guide pin bolts. These are typically found on the back of the caliper. Carefully slide the caliper off the rotor and suspend it with a wire or bungee cord, ensuring no strain is placed on the brake hose. Now, you can easily remove the old brake pads and any shims. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, just like you want reliable brakes, you want reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly durable and comfortable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Before installing new pads, clean the caliper bracket thoroughly and lubricate the slide pins with fresh brake grease. Use a brake caliper piston tool to compress the piston back into the caliper, making space for the thicker new pads. Install your new brake pads, ensuring they are correctly seated with any necessary shims. Reinstall the caliper, tightening the two guide pin bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Finally, reinstall the wheel and lower the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.